India, home to the world's largest population, has the second largest road network with a 6.3 million kilometer long road network and over 40 million cars. When this is what the situation looks like, safety has got to be the top priority, right? The truth is, some car manufacturers are only just starting to prioritize it. Surprising, isn't it? But at Škoda, this has always been a part of our DNA. Building cars with the heart of safety, the Škoda Auto India plant is the great Indian factory. Over a legacy spanning 128 years, Škoda has always been known for its quality and safety. In fact, in India, it has even led the way with its emphasis on safety. Want to know how? Then this is a story you don't want to miss. In 2021, Škoda Auto India introduced the all-new Škoda Kushaq, a car loaded with the finest safety features. It quickly led the way in its category of mid-sized SUVs. Global NCAP is a benchmark for vehicle safety. It is part of Britain's Towards Zero Foundation. The rigorous testing they demand for their ratings ensures that only the safest cars receive the top rating. In 2022, the Škoda Kushaq and even the Škoda Slavia received 5 stars in the global NCAP tests in adult and child protection. Precision is key when it comes to crafting cars at Škoda.
Safety has always been core to the group's DNA globally. Right from the outset, we were clear that we would adopt the same no-compromise approach here in India. Safety begins with our products, and I'm happy to say we succeeded in developing and producing some of the safest cars in India.
Welcome to Škoda Auto India. Our manufacturing facility, spanning 576 acres, is situated near Pune. It produces the Škoda Slavia and Kushaq. With 70% automation, 325 robots make 650 cars a day. That's 180,000 cars a year. From engines to assembly, every manufacturing detail is handled meticulously. But where exactly does this process start? It begins at the press shop. Galvanized steel is used. It ensures durability and rust resistance.
To build the safest cars, you have to push the boundaries of design, research and development and innovation. The 5-star global NCAP ratings we have achieved for our sedans and SUVs highlight our customers-oriented commitment of Škoda and Volkswagen brands and our engineering expertise. This achievement includes every aspect: design, sourcing, world-class manufacturing processes, shop floor technologies and high standards of quality control.
Every part is subjected to a quality inspection to ensure that it meets the required specifications and tolerances. Only after that, the parts from the press shop are transferred to the body shop.
We source ultra-high strength steel for critical parts to manufacture our Made in India portfolio. These metals are 6 times stronger than low-strength steel and 4 times more robust than high-strength steel. Those to help to protect the occupants by the ability to absorb greater forces in case an accident. At the same time, our automated manufacturing processes ensure all the different parts and panels fit together as precisely as possible.
Conveyor belts transport panels. Then it takes 242 robots to assemble the car's main structure. This is followed by a body surface examination to check for any defects. Spacings between elements are also finely measured using a scale ruler. Laser welding technology is used to join metal parts with precision, ensuring consistent gaps between different parts and a stronger weld. Another round of inspection follows. If no defects are found, the car goes to the paint shop. It's time to add a dash of color. After a fabulous paint job, the car moves to the assembly line, which brings it to life. Experts ensure impeccable attention to detail and add safety features like seat belts and airbags. The Slavia and Kushaq are fitted with Isofix child seat anchorage, a passive safety feature to ensure that a child's seat stays firmly in place.
Here, in our world-class car manufacturing facilities, safety is also about making our shop floor safe. After all, we take the safety of our employees just as seriously as the safety of our customers.
The windshield is bonded onto the car. The TSI engines are mated to the car's chassis. The transmission is aligned. The bumper, bonnet and spares are attached. The car is topped up with necessary fluids, and then the tires are bolted on. It's time for our car to head to our half-a-kilometer-long test track. It's a track with 9 distinct sections that evaluate vibrations, noises, drivability, braking and the underbody. The Škoda Slavia undergoes this thorough track test for children's safety as well, making it truly unique in India. Then, a high-pressure water recycling shower test is done for leak detection. In the end, a quality control professional signs off on the car. Leaving the factory means that it meets all the safety standards and quality benchmarks.
Protecting the occupants is the ultimate objective of making a car as safe as possible. This is then achieved by combination of active and passive safety systems. A correct mix of such features creates an overall result, a safe and reliable car that is fun and pleasure to drive.
The Škoda Slavia and Kushaq's 5-star global NCAP rating is a first for any Indian manufacturer. Here, they are tested for frontal impact, side impact and a pole test. The child protection test is even more rigorous. It involves a crash test with 2 dummies along with a more complex crash modeling scenario.
Our Made in India sedans and SUVs have achieved 5-star ratings for both adult and child occupant protection. This achievement is a testament to the engineering prowess and manufacturing excellence that our products offer. But safety for us at Škoda Auto Volkswagen India is much more than just products. It is about making India's roads safe. For instance, we have partnered with the Save Life Foundation to improve road safety across our nation. Our joint Vision Zero Fatality initiative covering the Mumbai-Pune corridor of the NH48 is already yielding results, driving a 63% decline in the fatalities. We are carrying out a similar initiative jointly with the Foundation on NH19 and will soon support the Foundation's Vision Zero Fatality District initiative even in Assam.
Škoda's initiatives are ensuring that car manufacturers don't cut corners while making vehicles and help make Indian roads a safer place to commute.
Škoda in India has made a long and exciting journey. We belong to one of the oldest brands in the world and we always strive to develop the most performing car. With performance, there is always a responsibility. Now we produce our most modern Kushaq and Slavia, which were developed for India. These cars are state-of-the-art of what we have and are always in advance of the government regulation. Our brand has always taken care about our customers. Whatever happens, the car will save you.
What do we hope to build with the Škoda Slavia and Kushaq? Not just cars, but a brand that honors Škoda's rich legacy and sets a new benchmark in car safety. A promise that every family can trust, every journey can depend on, and every road can celebrate.